Hey everybody, I drove a long ways to get to a Home Depot that had this deal. It is an explosive deal, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's a Dewalt FLexVolt item. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so the item's too big for me to put the camera here. Oh, I can put it here. To point it down. This is the FLexVolt Cordless Dewalt 2.5 gallon air compressor kit. 60 volt lithium, compatible with 20 volt, 60 volt, 120 volt tools for the battery. Comes with a fast charger and a 6 amp hour, 2 amp hour battery. This is model number, let's see if I can get it in there, DCC2560T1. Dog Charlie Charlie 2560 Trevor 1. Dog Charlie Charlie 2560 Tony 1. It is a nice kit. Now this is an explosive deal because right now for Father's Day, the Father's Day deals at Home Depot, Home Depot put this on a $269 price tag. But what makes this explosive, I called in advance because a lot of the stores do not have this kit anymore. Or they have a price tag for it, they just don't have it. I found this kit's price tag at $240 at Casa Grande Home Depot. They didn't have any in stock. I called about 4 or 5 Home Depots, finally got a hold of the one that's in AJ Apache Junction / Mesa. That is the Home Depot that is off the 60 in Crimson. That Home Depot, I called them when I was at the Casa Grande store. I asked, hey, would you guys price match? They said, well, if it's a discounted item, more than likely not. And I spoke to a gentleman named Gary. I said, you know, I have a picture of it. It's priced at $240. I don't know why. It's a yellow tag price. And he's like, oh, we got 4 of them. Well, I drove all the way there. Before I drove there, he told me on the phone, I'll make you a deal. If you drive all the way from Casa Grande all the way to our store, I'll give you a deal. And he originally stated he would give it to me for the price of what Casa Grande sold it for, which is $240. Now, the explosive part is when I get there, he just told me ask for Gary in the hardware section. So I asked an employee where Gary would be, and they called him and he said that he was actually in hardware. So I went in hardware. Nice older gentleman, said he is a part-time worker now for the company, and he took out what looked like a doctor pad, but it had Home Depot. It looked like, you know, just a writing pad, but it had Home Depot's name on it, and he wrote on the pad, which I wish I could have gotten a picture of it, but the lady that rang me up and gave me the discount threw it away. But he wrote on the pad $40 off. And the killer deal about it is that the price it rang up for was $269, and I got $40 off the Father's Day price. So the Father's Day price was $269. You take $40 off of that. I bought it for $229, and there was $19.01 worth of tax, which brought it out to be $248 and a penny. And to me, that's an explosive deal because the Casa Grande store was selling it for $240 flat. You know, if you add tax on top of that, it would have probably been somewhere, if it was around $18 to $19 worth of tax at the Casa Grande store. If they had it at $240, I would have been paying somewhere in the range of about $260, almost $2 It was about $269 to about $272 I would have been paying. And I basically got it for $8 and a penny more than the Casa Grande store. So if I see if I can bring this in, and I will put this receipt up for you guys to see it on the video so you can see it more clearly. 1002-707-449 is the part number, or the item number in the Home Depot store. Dewalt 60-volt compressor, $269. And then it says RSN5 AMT off. MK, it's marked down, -40. Which makes it max refund value of $229.00. So $229.00. Sales tax $19 and a penny. Comes out to $248.01. So I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to insert the receipt, and I'll insert a couple photos of the big billboard with this at $269 right now, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. So, hopefully the clearer, more easier to read receipt's more helpful. I will be doing an unboxing on this item separately. I can give you a couple specs on it right now. The box is got a crinkle on the side, but not bad. It's taped. And this is the kit, so I ended up with another FLexVolt battery, which is not a big deal. So I don't think they sell this in a bare tool anymore. It was store 0404, that's what the sticker on the back is. It says inbound. See if I get this sticker off. You know what? I'll give you guys the specs in the unboxing video, just so this video is not too long. It is a really nice kit. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty for the tool, 1-year free service, and 90-day money-back guarantee. Battery warranty is 3-year limited warranty and 3-year free service. Again, this is the DCC2560T1. Dog Charlie Charlie 2560 Tony 1. I do appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!